Hi, my name is Olivia Maponya, the Executive Director of Kopano Bus Service, company based in Limpopo province, providing the commuter services of people living in the province of Limpopo, South Africa. The company started operating its business activities in the year 2001, servicing communities, mostly villages, from the areas of the Polokwane municipality and Lepelle Nkumpi municipality. Most of our passengers are those passengers who cannot afford to buy a vehicle to transport themselves to and from their work of services. Kopano Bus Service came handy to assist them in providing those affordable services. Established in 2001, running its services in South Africa, in the province of Limpopo. Kopano Bus Service has 10 shareholders and 182 employees, most of its employees being the bus drivers. Kopano Bus Service is working closely with the government of South Africa, running services on behalf of the government, transporting the poorest of the poor in the province of Limpopo as the preferred service provider and also as the #1 public transport operator in the province and in South Africa. The secret behind that is that Kopano Bus Service is an inclusive bus company wherein the voices of all the stakeholders are important to the organization. Its competitive advantage is on the fares that are being charged by the company for its passengers, understanding the background and the poverty levels that the passengers using the services of bus operations are faced with. Another competitive advantage is the values that Kopano Bus Service believes in, which is respect. But given that, not forgetting the importance of the culture within that, which plays very important role in building up the dynamics of the current operation. Over the years, from 2020 to 2022, we cannot shy away that Kopano Bus Service was also affected by the pandemic, but the agility and the resilience showed by Kopano Bus Service and its employees is what kept it to its feet now, and that also given the competitive edge that Kopano Bus Service has over its competitors. That's one of the successes that we can share with the globe, that Kopano Bus Service has sustainability in terms of the innovative strategies that it has implemented. Kopano Bus Service believed in system thinking approach on its own issues and the creativity as well. The buses that are run by Kopano Bus Service are mostly reliable, safe, and dependent service to its commuters. Hence, it is always the preferred service that will be chosen by any other passenger within its operating area. It has always been a challenge that the transport industry is mostly dominated by male people. It is about to change now because Kopano Bus Service is becoming creative about that challenge, wherein we believe that even women can become active role players in the industry. Kopano Bus Service has identified about 200 female unemployed youth within its operating areas, which will be given opportunities to learn to drive buses and other related driving skills such as defensive driving, management of hazardous goods and hazardous chemicals as part of the program that will develop these people and provide them with an opportunity to be relevant to participate in an economic space in the transport industry. That narrative is going to change the complete outlook as it appears to be male-dominated industry.